Hey, it's Mason from Mason's FOREX Trading and Investments. Please take note of the risk disclaimer. Everything provided in the video is strictly for educational purposes. Please also hit the subscribe button, like and share the video with your friends and your family. The content to be covered for today: Introduction. What is procrastination? How can we tackle procrastination head on? How to find proper reasons for doing a task or goal. Amazing free tool to use to track and monitor our goal progress. Bonus, I will show you the important aspects or basics of using this great tool to help accelerate your Forex trading goals or any other goal that you need to achieve. And then finally, a quick fire summary. Introduction. Are you often neglecting your Forex trading goals or any other goals? Are you not sure how to become better and achieve more with your time in Forex trading or any other goals? Are you often distracted and mind wandering? Do you often feel anxious before taking on any goal? Do you often fail to meet your New Year's resolutions? Do you really want more as a successful Forex trader but can't achieve your other personal goals? Do you often feel lazy or tired to get your goals completed? Then this video is just for you. What is procrastination? Our brains are wired or designed to save energy. You must have heard of someone being in a comfort zone. A comfort zone actually means that we prefer not to take uncomfortable action to achieve our goals. Our brains tend to go into a flight or fight response. This response is normally from some sort of fear. For example, let's say you never ever exercised before and you set a goal of walking 10 kilometers or 13,830 steps a day. Or another goal of simulating or testing your Forex strategy for 2 hours each day. You may probably fail to get these goals as the brain needs to save energy, or the flight or fight response may be activated before or when you start the task. Procrastination slows down our growth and chances of being highly successful. How can we tackle procrastination head on? It's highly recommended to implement an insanely easy goal. What this means is, instead of setting a goal of walking 10 kilometers or 13,830 steps per each day, we could actually change this to 100, 200, 500 steps per each day for the first week, maybe the first 2 weeks, or even the first month if you wish. We could also set it to be time-based. For example, I will walk for at least 1 minute a day. 60 seconds of doing the task is much easier than walking 13,830 steps, which takes about 2 hours or so depending on your fitness and weight. In my case, I set an easy goal of simulating Forex historical data for a minimum of 5 minutes. This simulating helped me grow in confidence and trading skill without any mentor or signal services. Please see my YouTube link in the description box for more information. We could also set any other important goals, which could be learning price action from charts, watching Forex videos, reading about Forex trading, etc. Now you're probably asking, how does setting an easy goal work, right? We are actually trying to get a small action done or trying to cultivate a new habit by strategically knowing how our brains operate. Our brains are also intimidated by tasks which require a lot of effort and time. In essence, we are breaking down a large goal into smaller segments or parts. Once we complete the goal for the allocated time, we ideally need to continue and not stop at the 1 minute or 5 minute mark, depending on your own time allocation. Remember, as long as you meet the easy target, you are successful for the day. Some days you will meet the minimum, and some days you will get a lot of work done. Over time, you will build this habit into your system or be able to do it every day. Keep pushing and never give up. You must truly know what you want, or rather, what you demand from your life. Change the words you use. For example, I should do this. I will try to do it. I think I will do it. Maybe I will do it. 2. I must do it. Or I must do it right now. How to find proper reasons for doing a task or goal? If you use the idea of I am doing forex trading so that I can become rich, is never the best option. If you look at the amount of losing account holders released by many forex brokers in the European region, it is actually very disturbing. It is estimated that around 75% or more of people are losing over the many regulated and registered forex brokers. In fact, like any other business, you probably won't make consistent money in the first few years of trading. This will also produce anxiety or stress, as your goal was set to only make money. You may end up quitting entirely. You might not be happy with the above information, as most of us have seen all massive forex profits, Ferraris, watches, houses, and the forex trading success stories. Unfortunately, this was actually strong and aggressive misleading marketing from forex mentors. Marketing is designed to influence us or cause us to take some sort of action, like buying a product or service. So, how can we find and use proper reasons to drive ourselves into consistent action? Do proper research about the potential goal and understand what are the risks, if any. Fall in love with the learning process. Be a learning machine. Attach your identity to this. I am a learning machine, rather than only to making money and retiring young. Never believe in any hype or misleading information out there. Write down as many reasons as possible as to why you must achieve this goal. For example, it could be the luxury of working from home, uncapped salary or income, spending more time with family, no physical boss or supervisor. I still believe the market is our boss, no traffic or traveling, etc. You can also view these reasons very regularly so that you have further motivation or drive to achieve it. Find a few motivational quotes and videos that really resonate with you so that it can be viewed daily. I also recommend making a few motivational posters from the A2 paper from the quotes that would resonate with you. You can also stick 4 A4 pages together to make the A2 page size. You can do it by handwriting if you wish, and place your posters around the areas that you are in regularly. This will really help you and serve as daily motivation. Amazing tool for goal monitoring or tracking. Guess what? I've also struggled a lot with procrastination and not been serious with achieving my goals for decades. I definitely take on procrastination daily and grow a little more skilled each day with the new tool. I honestly had to change myself, as poor habits is equal to poor results in life. I eventually found an amazing tool which has really worked for me. It's called Stick. It is a free tool or application on the Google Play Store. I will also leave a link in the description box area for your easy access to the website. Please view their website for terms and conditions. This tool sends me notifications on my Android device and also on my emails for each goal, task, or commitment contract. Our goals are actually redefined as commitment contracts within this application. The power of this is that it means the goal and your actions are binding, as if you signed a real contract, for example, with an employer. It has a feature which allows a friend or family member to confirm if the goal was actually completed. This helps increase our chances of completing and holding us accountable for each goal. If you are really serious about your goals, you could step it up a notch higher and have money paid out to an organization or person. This payment only happens when you fail to achieve your daily task or goal. This is also another tactic to increase your chances of achieving your goal. Bonus: basics of the stick application based on my own experience. So this is from my Android device or from the app. First of all, you have the title. This would be the title of your goal or commitment contract. In this box, we can state our goals or daily targets. In my case, it says testing my Forex data for at least 5 minutes daily. You can see we have a report now button, and in that report now button, it simply means reporting your goal. And if you notice, on your honor, this is actually reflected if you don't have a friend or family to report if you are successful at your goals. The app allows this. Add a referee. Here you can add a family or friend to report if you are successful in your goal or not. This is the best option, as this option will help you be accountable in attaining the goal. You can see we have supporters. Here you can add more supporters for your goal, which equates to more support. Recipient of stakes. You'll see in my case I have no stakes, but this is the other option to help you accelerate your goal achieving. Here you can set up the app to pay a stake or amount of your money to whoever you decide. They would be paid if you fail to complete your daily commitment, contract, or goal. Furthermore, you can have a look and see we have journal. This actually becomes a commitment journal, and I will explain it in the next slide. In this commitment journal, this is where I recorded the goal. You can document whatever you wish based on your goal. Even though this picture is unclear, it shows my results from the backtesting or simulating tool. You would be able to upload a picture for proof so your referee can see it. Summary: procrastination causes us not to achieve our dreams, goals, and desires. Procrastination is a destructive pattern, and we must work smart and take it on by doing our tasks daily. Set insanely easy goals to get you into action. Over time, you will develop consistent habits. This will then be your ultimate power and confidence. Our objective is to make sure that our goals align with what we truly want for ourselves. We must not do a goal or commitment based on becoming rich, doing it for fame, doing it for our friends, family, etc. Make sure that you have proper and well-defined reasons for committing to any goal. The Stick application is an amazing free tool to help monitor your progress and potentially help you achieve your goals. This application is actually powered by behavioral science. The power of the Stick application comes into play when a family or friend member reports about your success of your goal, allowing others to be added to support your journey, paying someone from your money if you fail to commit. Good luck and all the best. Fly high and never say die. So we've come to the end of the video. Until the next video, goodbye.